Drill bits are used to create holes and vias, but also cutouts. Drill bits are typically made of solid-coated tungsten carbide material and come in many sizes like 0.3, 0.6 and 1.2 millimeters. They look like the one in this figure. These drills are attached to computer-controlled drilling machines and are guided by a file that contains information about the coordinates and the drill size for each hole on the PCB. It's interesting to note that for very small holes, usually vias, drill bits are replaced with lasers. These vias are often called microvias. With laser drilling, it is also possible to create vias that connect in between layers of the PCB. The term drill head describes the location on the PCB where the drill bit comes in contact with the PCB and creates a hole. Let's move on to the next lecture where we'll have a look at surface mounted devices, SMDs.